tiny tadpoles will hatch from the eggs. As they eat, they get bigger and bigger. They usually only eat plants, so they're called herbivores. Like fish, they have gills, so they can only breathe underwater. Look, this tadpole's a bit older. It's grown back legs. Next, it grows front legs. The gills disappear and lungs develop inside the body. Now its head has to be out of water to breathe. It's still got a tail, but that'll gradually disappear. It's now a tiny adult frog. In a few years, it'll grow to its full size. Australia has over 200 different sorts of frogs. They're all amphibians. They can live on the land and in the water. Their skin is very sensitive. They can die in polluted water. They're carnivores. That means they eat other animals. This frog is eating a tiny bat. Inside that big mouth are some teeth. They're not used for chewing, just for holding, because frogs swallow their food whole. This frog's hoping to catch an insect to eat. Now, watch its eyes while it eats the cricket. The eyeballs are pulled into the mouth to push the food down. Those big, bulging eyes also help frogs see in almost any direction. The strong back legs are good for jumping and for swimming. Frogs have to come up to the surface to breathe, otherwise they drown. Male frogs are often smaller than female frogs, but they're much noisier. This spotted tree frog is calling to let the females know it's ready to mate. Different sorts of frogs make different calls. That way the females will go to the right sort of male for mating. The male grabs the female. She releases her eggs, and at the same time, he releases his sperm to fertilize the eggs. Each black dot could become a new frog. The eggs are protected by a jelly-like substance. This mass of eggs and jelly is called frog spawn. The parents will have nothing more to do with each other or their future babies. If the eggs don't get eaten by birds, fish or insects, or the water doesn't become polluted or dry up,